He said he got insurance. I'm ready to get paid. Let me drop that bitch. Oh, you guys don't know how much I got in it.
I know we got insurance, but we ain't gotta use that motherfucker. You feel me?
No, that part, I'm with you.
Go.
Fuck is that, man? Oh my God, it is like 8 in the morning. Now we gonna get it together, gang. Don't worry. We gonna get it together. V, what up, man? It's up. New day.
New way.
Got an hour to straight this motherfucker up real quick, man. And then, hey, I like this big camera, roll the camera. I like these boys. These boys real like real. I didn't real like real. Yeah, how y'all do?
Hey, I'm telling you, we had a ball last night.
Listen, so we gonna go ahead real quick, burn this motherfucker up as fast as we can. Cause look, we still gotta deal with the car.
Yeah, I was thinking about that all
I was like, that shit has to.
Hey, once we get it up there, we ain't gotta worry about it. Though, so it's good.
I think we'll get up though. I really wanna, can we just go get the trailer, pull it back here, load it up over here, and then just know what I've been. But I do that, we gonna try to load that up. Shit,
they ain't got no choice. We gonna
let about to leave.
Bitch,
yeah, they got no
come this way.
Yeah, no choice. I never get that bitch on the ground.
You shot me last night too, my
God. Look at the eyes, though.
I love you, twin. You my nigga, bro. I do want to do you.
I do want to do you. Shot you last night? Yeah. Shot you last night?
You shoot everything. Look, he ate up. Look.
This nigga shot me in my eye. Look at my face.
Oh, dang.
I went tripping out here, see. I went tripping. They shoot me up. I'm like, this okay. I'm like, yeah, cause I get it. Y'all get down for tell y'all.
It was real tactical last night.
I'm gonna tell y'all. Oh, listen, I can't wait. Round 2.
So you got lucky, bro.
Round 2 gonna be so crazy. He's gonna make sure you got hella big gun. We gonna have bullets in them up. Man, that's what I'm trying to say. Hey, bro, I gotta get this up.
Y'all see what it is, gang, man. It's time to get this show on the road, man. We about to get up and get out of here, man. I can't wait. It's time to go, yo. Off to the next location. Man. Alrighty, gang. It was a fun one. It definitely was a fun one, man. We got the lineup out here so sick and swift. Telling you we didn't drop stuff all down the driveway. But it's time to roll out, gang. It's time to roll out, man.
Time to roll out, man.
Time to roll out.
Left on the drinking blast, but it was like 80 bottles.
Right, no, for sure, huh? Y'all see what's going on, man. It's time to go back to the H-Town, man. About to drop the roof on this thing and get it together.
Oh, nah, someone else. Just a little bit of some of that, man. Yeah. I tell you what, you gotta wipe this off.
I ain't gonna hold you. That little transmission on my motorcycle when he rode it, so I guess we kind of like
y'all even now.
We'd be damn near even.
Y'all even. You scraping it. Ain't like enough to get up there. What you think?
Alright, gang. It's time to load up, man. We got another group of donks and stuff out here, man, but we got the trailer over there. Gang pulling in. Pull up be too real. Y'all see what's going on, man. Another day, man. Another day. On them big daddies. Another day on them big daddies, man. Let's get this show on the road. They got them big daddies, man. Got that lemon and lime. Indiana is in the house. Indiana is in the house. He candy appled up on them Savini things, Grand National with the wide body on him.
Oh,
he nice.
Hey, whoever this is, man, salute. It's gonna be hard.
He nice, man.
Yeah, nice. Well, ooh,
yeah, it look cool on me.
You need to get back. He gonna find me. I want you to buy.
All right, now look.
Got a price tag on the SSG.
Look. Y'all see what's going on, man. We up here going yay. About to load this trailer up, get it going, man. Yes, sir. V, we out here today or what, man?
Outside, man. It's a wrap, but shit, it's still up.
It's still up.
Way to the high. It's still a moving.
Hey, it's still a, yeah, that part. DC was good, man.
What's up, man?
Man, in the cut with it. Oh yeah, that means it. Y'all see DC in his cut. Hey man, tell them where we at one time, man.
We at Orlando right now, man. We finna pack them things up, man.
Oh man, you see the things he talking about, man.
Man. Yeah, man. So y'all know we finna head to another location.
So we not going home, DC?
I don't even know yet, man.
Yeah, look, hey man.
Y'all ain't telling me nothing.
Look, I'ma hold him right now. Look, I usually ain't gonna hold you, but I'ma hold him right now.
Nah, don't do me like that.
Look.
Tell me what's going on.
Hey man, you know, we just might have to see what's good. I'm gonna let you know. Don't even worry, man. We gonna see what's good.
As long as we get something to eat first, though.
Hey, no. Hey, you and me both. I'm on the same page, gang. Look. Gang, we still sitting on the 30s? We still, you already know it. On the 30s. Let's see what we got up here, man.
Bring the jumper box. The jumper box.
Like I said, I ain't trying to run way down there. That's how we doing, gang. Where the straps? Where the straps, man? They on that bull today, huh? Man, where the straps at? Who got the straps? Who got the straps?
Oh, way over there.
Who got the straps, man?
He's starting a whole war.
That's it.
That just means I gotta
So you
buy
pull up.
Nigga finna be every week in Walmart.
Every gas station, look. I just got this G14.
Go to Amazon to see what's the most
Right, what's the best one, huh?
I need the baddest.
Right, huh? New, huh? Throw a little grenade.
Yeah.
Woo.
Man, you right. Find me one with some grenades. Just pull the whole
No,
pin.
for sure, for sure.
Dude, clear the room out. I wanted to make those though, for real.
Back him on up, Jack. Ooh, Big Daddy. She looking good too. And them things, man. It's time to get this thing on squat mode. Time to get him on squat mode, man.
Hold up.
Man, B-Dog, what's good, man?
Getting loaded.
How you feeling today, gang?
Feeling good.
I'm feeling good, feeling great.
Recording, trying to get this
You
footage.
feel me? I can dig it, man. It's a movie. Y'all see we got them joints loaded up, man. Y'all see we got the joints loaded up. I ain't gonna hold you. We got the joints loaded up. It is game time. It's time to grow up. It's time to go yay. It's time to go yay, man, on them Corleone Forges. With the things that do a little spin action, man. Y'all see what's going on.
You not doing it right for this?
Coat. What up, man? How you doing? Hey, man, trying to get it, man.
Start with the camera, bro.
Hey, man, you know our last video went viral, man.
Yeah?
It went viral.
Which one?
The one when you was looking at the car with 100,000.
How much you did?
It's about maybe 300 right now, going up.
Do some shit with the bike.
Yeah, whenever you come out, man, it's good. Y'all see what's going on, gang. We loading up the Hachi Bachi Soul Food, man. The 305.
I want to bring one up there so bad and leave it.
Oh yeah, in Houston. You might as well shoot. We out there more than enough.
Say something, Coach. Coach, you going viral, Coach?
We just letting you know.
Going viral, Coach. Top 5, Coach. Hold on, look. Hold on, let me show you something here.
That nigga,
Top 5, Coach.
that nigga be getting all the shit, boy.
Listen, oh, yo, you already know it. Listen, Coach.
Let me get that picture.
Hey, top 5,
Send it to me. Hey, this the nigga we gotta watch, boy. That nigga right there. Nah, hey, look at him, always.
He
With the jury on.
Hey,
He
man.
got the camera, goddamn.
Hey, you got it though, man.
He talking trash. He joined out here. I pull up. He in the truck cooking last
Cooking.
night.
No.
You good? You good? You
Go,
good?
go.
You good? Let me just get out that motherfucker and just be in the back straight.
Excuse me. Thank
She
you.
said, I gotta get my footage.
Yeah. I either move or I'll get in your footage. Plain and simple.
Fucking die.
I don't talk, bro. I just put my Ricky out.
Y'all see what's going on, man. You got the Hachi Bachi. He said, just
Man, gonna scrub a little bit, man, but he gonna go, bro.
Robert, he said he got insurance. I'm ready to get paid. Let me drop that bitch. Bro, you guys don't know how much I got in it.
hey, no, for
That
sure,
shit,
huh?
man. Hey, they gonna take
I need
that, man.
retail, huh, Coach?
Nah, I got 200. So if he gonna pay that,
Listen, you straight, man.
I take this shit to use and game over.
Oh, it gonna happen.
Hachi Bachi
It gonna
Houston?
happen. Everyone go right there with Lynn. Freely competition. Hey,
You gonna take it to Houston?
freely competition.
Nah.
Freely competition right in front of that motherfucker.
Hey,
Man, we gonna
I
put
ain't
the
said
truck
that.
right in front of that
Nah,
bitch.
Corey.
We gotta all
He
eat
said,
together.
nah, Corey.
We gotta eat together.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Nah,
We gotta eat together. Fuck all that. Hey, we really come down, man. Hey, you gotta let me cook. We won't go ahead and fire you up. I ain't gonna lie.
no, why didn't me? I'm cooking chicken. I ain't do that.
Look.
No jury on. No
Look.
nothing. I came out here just to cook chicken. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Take steps back.
Hey, Alex, watch yourself, gang.
Hey, Corey came out here with a super tailor safety. Safety. Don't worry about it. Corey got insurance on everybody.
Yeah. He said, I don't have nothing to do with that. Look.
I know we got insurance, but we ain't gotta use that motherfucker. You feel
No,
me?
that part, I'm with you.
We legit out here, but
No, that part, man. Y'all bought the biggest truck down here, man. Y'all ain't had nothing smaller, man. Y'all bought the. This look like a whole building on the road.
that shit came in.
I'm digging it, man. Hachi, Bachi, soul food. Hachi, Bachi. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here in Orlando. Going up.
We gonna have a rap on this. Fuck what Corey say. We doing $200 a ticket. This is the fastest thing over here.
Ooh,
This right here.
1100 horsepower.
1100. Listen,
I'm gonna show you everything.
rap for 200 a pound.
You gotta do something in the bag.
What that is?
Well, that's some shit for the house every day. We had a move. I should've. Listen.
You said I heard you seen that you had a chef and I got three, 4 chefs.
I had a
My rice man fucked that. He got 5.
My chef right here.
Where your chef?
My cameraman, my chef.
You can't beat
Oh,
that.
mama, that nigga steak going crazy.
down for
Oh, mama, his
He
steak
can't-
going crazy.
What that is? A super soaker on you, homie?
Ooh.
Go.
Damn.
What the most of the weight at, Coach? What most of the weight at? Up back right now.
That's crazy. That's a huge truck. And he got cameras on that thing. He got cameras on the truck, man.
We ain't gotta get on the, like, past the bridge.
Hey, man. You do your job. Do your job.
Now listen, Bobby.
Checking my
I
phone.
need 20 kilos.
Oh, he nice.